Over the centuries, countless laws have been enacted in the US, addressing everything from grave matters to the outright bizarre. While most outdated or strange laws are eventually repealed, some remain surprisingly intact, creating a fascinating snapshot of past beliefs, customs, and concerns. Here are 10 of the strangest forgotten laws still technically enforceable in the US today. 1. No ice cream in your back pocket on Sundays, Alabama. In Alabama, it's illegal to carry an ice cream cone in your back pocket on Sundays. This bizarre law traces back to the days when horse thieves supposedly used ice cream to lure horses away, using the treat in their pocket as bait. While it may no longer serve its original purpose, the law remains, protecting the peace of Sundays and horses. 2. No fishing while sitting on a giraffe, Idaho. If you happen to be in Idaho with a giraffe, be warned, you cannot fish while sitting on one. Though giraffe fishing might not be a pressing concern, the law is still enforceable. Its origins are unclear, but it's likely a holdover from a time when lawmakers attempted to cover all conceivable situations, however unlikely. 3. It's illegal to drive blindfolded, Alabama. Alabama has another strange but technically necessary law. It's illegal to drive while blindfolded. While common sense would prevent most from attempting this, the state saw fit to ensure that driving blindfolded is against the law, possibly as a deterrent to extreme daredevils. 4. No spoiling someone else's milk, Utah. In Utah, there's an old law that forbids tampering with another person's milk. Originally meant to protect farmers' dairy businesses, this law is rarely enforced but remains in the books. The prohibition against spoiling milk extends to actions that could reduce its quality or make it unsafe, a curious leftover from the dairy industry's heyday. 5. No pumpkins on the porch after Halloween, Hollywood, California. Hollywood, California, has a local ordinance that bans leaving Halloween pumpkins on porches after October 31st. Likely enacted to keep neighborhoods looking tidy and prevent decaying pumpkins from attracting pests, the law has rarely been enforced in recent years, though it's still in effect. 6. No pretending to be married, North Carolina. In North Carolina, it's illegal for unmarried couples to check into a hotel room and pretend to be married. This old law likely emerged from moral and social expectations of the past. Though rarely, if ever, enforced today, the statute technically exists and serves as a reminder of once prevailing social norms. 7. It's illegal to share Netflix passwords, Tennessee. In 2011, Tennessee passed a law making it illegal to share passwords for online streaming services like Netflix and Hulu. Initially aimed at tackling digital piracy, this law could technically apply to those sharing accounts with friends or family outside their household, though enforcement is generally lax. 8. You can't throw a ball at someone's head for fun, New York. New York's laws include an odd prohibition against throwing balls at someone's head for amusement. The law likely stems from concerns over playground injuries. Though sports enthusiasts probably don't need to worry about this statute being enforced, it's still part of New York's legal code. 9. No bear wrestling, Alabama. Alabama strikes again with its quirky laws, this time making it illegal to wrestle a bear. Bear wrestling, once a carnival attraction, was banned as a part of animal cruelty legislation in the mid-20th century. Although bear wrestling isn't likely today, the law remains in place to protect both people and animals. 10. No selling exploding golf balls, Massachusetts. Massachusetts prohibits the sale of exploding golf balls designed to burst or explode on impact. This strange but specific law aims to prevent pranks on the golf course from going awry. Although you can still find exploding golf balls online, technically, selling them in Massachusetts remains illegal. These forgotten laws may seem silly today, but they offer a glimpse into the quirks of past American society and the peculiar issues lawmakers once sought to address. While enforcement may be non-existent, these unusual statutes still linger in the shadows of the law.